like, share and subscribe. Guys, I'm so excited today. You will know why. And I hope you're doing really well. I'm doing awesome. Also guys, I posted a video on how to start content creation. I posted another video on matte look lipstick reviews. Please go and check it out. And do subscribe to my channel. Do hit a like. Leave a comment below what type of videos you want to see. And today it is going to be a very different video. When I started my channel, actually I was doing this and I don't know why I completely stopped it, because I think I was in a dilemma for like few months, and I also told it in my Instagram stories yesterday that I want to start this, but I was thinking of starting a separate channel, but then I thought it's just too much. I don't think that's what I want to do now, so I'm gonna continue in this channel. And what I'm talking about is food videos, guys. Like, look at the smile on my face. Automatically when you talk of food, I'm so happy because I love eating and I also like reviewing food actually. So when I started this channel, guys, I had done a Zepto cafe review, and I think a lot of people watched that. I mean, like, a lot of people in the sense, like, in terms of my videos. So I think that's one of the most watched videos in my channel, which is like 6,000 views, which is not much because I'm still growing in YouTube long form content, guys. But then I know a lot of people like food videos. I personally love watching food videos on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever it is. It's amazing. It's just a beautiful thing to like food and eat well. I just feel like that, guys. And people who don't eat well, I don't know about you guys, but then I just enjoy going out, trying different restaurants, trying different cuisine. I order in a lot actually, to be honest. So I thought, like, since I order in anyways, this is my comfort space to film as well, why not just post it on YouTube and give my review? Because whenever I eat also, I keep thinking like maybe I should have done like a YouTube review video or something like that. But then, like I told you, I was thinking I will create a separate food channel, but then it sounds too much for now, and I already have one YouTube channel. I have like an Instagram page. I have a full-time job, so I was like, for now maybe that's not it, and I will continue posting here. Maybe what I was thinking is one food review video per week I will do. It'll be so exciting to do that. I'm so excited about this journey. And like I told in the past, I think like 1 or 2 food videos are there, or like more, I think. But then it's not been consistent because, like I told you, all the story, like I was planning to do a different channel, but I thought why not start with one of my favorites. I tried to wear like a matching dress. It's not really matching because the blue is completely different. I hope you can guess. Take a guess, guys, like which outlet or like restaurant I'm trying to review today. It's very simple, and people who know me will just guess like this because I've been ordering so much from it throughout my life. So did you guess, guys? Yes, guys, it is Domino's. My most favorite. I've been eating Domino's, I don't know for how many years. So I have ordered from Domino's now, and I was getting ready very fast because I don't like cold food at all. So I wanted to review Domino's today, and there are some new items in the menu. I don't know if you've checked it out. So I was like, it's quite exciting. Like, why not? That's when I thought, like, why not post a YouTube review and start with already in this channel and not wait for anything. So I am super excited. So I got like a Domino's garlic bread. You'll see which one. And we have Domino's pizza for sure, and then I have my Coke Zero. I was avoiding Coke for some time, but then for today's video I anyways got it. And we have also secured our tissues, so everything is in place. Okay guys, let's see what we're actually going to order. I am checking out if anything new is there that I have not tried, and I came across this classic cheese bowl cano. That's the one that I'm gonna order, and I'm just checking out other things if anything is there. Even the sourdough pizza I wanted to try, but then I thought today I will try this cano pizza. And we have added to cart, guys. Next I want to order garlic bread, and I know which one to order. There is this fiery corn and jalapeno garlic bread. It is so yum. I've tried it in the past, and I'm gonna order that as well. And I have added that as well to the cart. And I think for beverage I'm gonna order Coke Zero. Let me check if they have it. Yes, they do. I'm just checking other things what is there. Interesting. Oh, there's a cold coffee that has come in Domino's. But anyways, I'm gonna order Coke Zero for now. And for the garlic bread, I'm also gonna order this cheesy dip. Okay guys, it's time to pay. Let's see the bill amount. It is 472, and I think there's a coupon of 60 rupees, so we're gonna apply that, and let's see how much it comes up to.
You don't get it twice, the time of your life.
Okay, it is 409, not bad, so we're gonna check out now. But the dessert, it's catching my eye, so I'm just checking if I want to order anything else. But this is too much already, so I don't like this burger pizza, guys. Have you liked it anytime? But I never ordered it. I just don't like it. So yes, guys, this is the final order and this is the final price. So we're gonna check out now, and then we wait. So first we are gonna try out the pizza that we got. I got the Fury corn and jalapeno pizza. This is the one. I love this one. For the longest time I was fan of the the OG garlic bread, like not the stuffed one, just the plain garlic bread. One of my friend introduced me to this, and ever since I could not stop buying this. It's spicy, it's nice. I love pickle, I love jalapeno. Actually, I fell in love with this stuffed garlic bread, and ever since I've been getting this. So first we are gonna try this one, guys. So this is how it looks, just for a close-up view. And yeah, let's try it, guys. I'm so excited. Let's open the Coke also first, actually. So one thing, always take a tissue and wipe on top whenever you are buying a can like this, because you never know where all it has been. So we're just gonna wipe it nicely, and then we are gonna open it. Cheers to food review videos. Okay, then we are ready. So first let's try. Actually, I wanted, like, some of them sit down and have like the table here and review. That would be nice, but I don't have anything like that right now. So we're just gonna do this, and I will show you guys still, don't worry. Okay, the first piece is usually nothing. So this is how it looks. It looks very different. I hope they're giving the right one, because so let's try it, guys. So good. It is so good, guys. I think there's a Mexican version wherein you get like a little bit saucy one. I think you should get that. This is a little bit dry and plain, if you can see. There's only like jalapeno and corn and cheese and all that, but get that Korean version. I think there's one with like red sauce and all that, so that's really good. And I can't stop eating, guys.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
In the picture also, I think when you see, right, there's this red sauce that is dripping. There's nothing like that. I think the first time that I got it was really good. This looks very plain, and like, I don't know if this is one. Let me open up another one and see. No, I think this is something that they have not added, or like there's another version that I had got earlier. This is just corn, cheese, and like 1 or 2 jalapenos. But I think I ordered like the wrong one, or like they have changed the menu or something like that. This is still good, but a little bit more spicy would have been nice. When you have pizza, biryani and all that, Coke is like must sometimes. But I have not been having Coke for very long, and even at home they say no. But then today I got it finally. I got Coke Zero. Okay, guys, that was the garlic bread. It is okay. I think it was written Fury corn and jalapeno garlic bread. If you go and see the picture also, there is like this red chili sauce kind of thing coming out of the garlic bread. The first time that I ordered the same one. I'll put the names and all here, guys. I don't remember the exact names, but then it had the sauce. It was so yummy. This time it's okay, but then like I ordered like a plain pizza, believing that this would be very spicy and all that, Fury spicy and all that. This is pretty plain, if you see. There's nothing really much. I think they have changed the menu or something like that, because there are a number of garlic breads now, stuffed garlic breads. So I think they have changed it, but then that was really nice. So yeah, it's okay. I would give this garlic bread like a 6 on 10, because it's a little different, but then not like the one that I was expecting to come. And if you want like that saucy garlic bread, because this is pretty plain, I don't know if you want to eat like a stuffed garlic bread that is cheesy and has corn and jalapeno, and that's about it. If you want like a little bit saucy one, then I think you should go for the Korean garlic bread, right? I think that also is the one where you have the sauce and all that. So yes, guys. Okay, now we are gonna review the pizza. Can I tell you something, guys? My pizza appetite is so less these days. There was a time, like, you would not believe, I had like friends who loved pizza. Like, that's how we bonded sometimes, and we would just go and eat medium, large pizzas. Like, we would order like each one. Like, I don't know if anyone eats like that, but then we used to go and order like large pizza, medium pizza, and we used to enjoy. Like, I was obsessed with pizza. I still do love pizza a lot, but then I think my appetite is very less. Sometimes I will buy like the regular one, and even that I will not finish. I'll have like 1 or 2 pieces, and I'll be like, for now enough, like I can't eat more. My pizza appetite has gone down, but then there was a time where you know, I could just eat pizza. Even like with my sister, I have like a very funny memory. Like she always tells that me and my first sister, Aishwarya, right? Like whenever we used to go to Domino's that time, it used to be so funny. This is a very funny incident, guys. Childhood incidents, like growing up incidents, not childhood. But then when we used to go to Domino's, her appetite is so less. Like in outside food, she's a very like home food kind of girl. She loves that. So when we go out and eat pizza, she used to eat just for me because I don't think she likes pizza also. But then I used to love, right? So we used to buy like that medium, I think 6 pieces or something like that. I used to have 3 pieces or something, and she used to have 3 pieces. My 3 used to get over like in seconds. And she used to be still eating like the first one, even half she would have not completed. I used to like literally eat so fast because I used to love, right? And that's the time I think I was like getting introduced to pizza and all that. So when we used to get, I used to eat it really fast, and then I used to sit like this and see her. She used to tell me, like, used to just wait so that I'll be like, Acha, I don't want you to eat now. And the minute she says that, she always says that because A, she cannot eat, and also I think sometimes she used to like give it to me because I liked it. So she used to eat like 1 or 2 and then she'll just give it to me, and immediately I'll be like, okay, fine, I'll finish it. And I used to eat it. So I was like a crazy obsessed person, even now and then. But then earlier it was like mandatory, I needed. Like even lockdown times and all, I remember, oh my god, look at this. I will tell the story later, guys, but this is the Cano bowl pizza. I'll put the exact name here. It didn't come in a proper way. Look at that, the cheese and all has come out, but okay, fine, no problem. The delivery guy came and delivered at this time is a big thing. So this is the Cano bowl pizza. It's like plain cheese and you know, just the base. Okay, sounds interesting, but then let's see how it is. This is the pizza. So it's not cut anywhere, which I don't know how to take it out now. Oh god, it's full pizza. It's like a bowl pizza, right? So there's no like, you know, that slices and all that. You just have to take it and eat it, I think. I'll just make a piece out of it. Let me try this, guys, and then I'll continue with the story. So I've just taken a small piece. This is the one. What cheese is this? There should be a name for this cheese. I really don't know all that, guys. But then I'm gonna try it now.
I'll make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say. Live life in a fast lane.
So good. Oh god, it's so good, guys.
Drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow.
I think I did. I was like, what is this even gonna be? I don't know what cheese this is, but it is so tasty. If you like plain pizza, if you have been buying like margherita all the time, you should try this. The cheese is really good. I'm just gonna take cheese from here.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice.
Whatever is this cheese on top, it's very yellow, but then it's really tasty. Oh my god, I can't stop eating this. It's so yummy. Super good. I think they could slice this as well, but I don't know. Maybe there's a reason they did not slice this up. I'm trying to remove all the crust so that I can get this a piece. Okay, I dropped some. Sorry, guys. Okay, I just got the cheese slice. Guys, this is so good, like really so good. Actually, it's also become a little bit cold because I was talking all this time, right? But it's just too yummy. The cheese, whatever it's.
2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking.
Guys, I feel you should definitely try. This one is too good, guys. The cheese on top is enough. Like you might think like there's no topping, how is it gonna be good? The cheese is so yummy. It has a very I don't know how to say, it has a very premium taste. The cheese, whatever is there, the cheese on top itself is so yummy. It's just enough, and it is really good. I really like this one. Actually, I didn't expect it. I was like, plain pizza, I don't usually buy like plain margherita pizza. It's not my thing. I used to buy like this veggie loaded, like that was my favorite. Me and my friend, every month, like when we were working, right, one of my friend, he used to like pizza, and even I used to love, right? So we used to be like every month we'll go and eat pizza, and we literally used to go and eat pizza. Like we used to work together, and he also used to stay nearby, so we used to go and we had like the same order. I think like almost 3 years we used to go every month and order the same thing. That time I used to order like veg loaded or veggie loaded it was called, and he used to order like non-veg loaded. I don't eat non-veg, guys, so that was so good. And I don't know for what reason Domino's stopped that. Domino's, if you're watching, can you please introduce that again? I think recently when I went to Chennai, right, to my parents' place, that time I saw that in the menu, but then It's not there here in Bangalore. I don't know why they took it out of the menu, and that was so good because there was like so many toppings on that. Plus, it had like a crispy kind of thing, something I don't know what it is called, but then it was really good, and that was my pizza. That was my favorite. That garlic bread, cheesy dip, and oh, I ordered cheesy dip. Now I remember. I forgot completely. Oh, for the garlic bread, I can use. I completely forgot, guys. So yeah, we used to order that veg loaded, non-veg loaded, garlic bread, cheesy dip, and I think Coke. Sometimes I used to drink. So that was our order, standard order every time. And then after that, Domino's never had that. I don't know why. Like I think last few years, the veg loaded is not there. Non-veg loaded is still there. Veg loaded they have removed from the menu. If you are a cheese lover like me, you should try this. You might like it. Actually, I loved it totally, and the cheese is very premium. It's very nice. I really like the taste, and I don't know, I really liked it, guys. Okay guys, just with one of the garlic bread, I'm gonna have this cheesy dip. Cheesy dip, you might know already, like I've had it like many times. So it just comes like this in a small box kind of thing, and this is how it is. I don't think I needed this because I ordered like a cheese pizza, but I just ordered it, so I'm gonna have it. So I'm just gonna take a piece of garlic bread, and then so this cheese is different, right? And this one is it. This is it. Very good. This is nice. This is like a garlicky cheese spread, I think. It's not mentioned anywhere, but it has like a garlic taste. And cheesy dip processed cheese spread from Domino's Milkana Professional. Okay. So this is the one. It's good actually. You can try it out. I use too many tissues, guys, whenever I eat. But then, okay, it's coming to the story that I was trying to tell, right? Like after that, I'll end the video and I will go and eat, guys. So I'm not gonna do the video till I finish eating. But then, what I was telling is, even during lockdown time, once the lockdown was lifted, and like I think second phase or first phase, I think. I was at my parents' place and everything was shut. Shout out to my parents because I did not miss a single thing that I used to eat outside because my parents made everything at home. Like pani puri, everything, it was made at home for me. You know, when the world was shut down because it was a crazy time, it was like a really bad time, right? But then I was at home, and of course we were not allowed to go out, and I was just at home. My dad used to go and get the groceries and everything, and whatever he could make for me, like street food and everything, he used to make at home. So it was like a good time for me personally, although it was a crazy time. Like my god, you know, my parents used to make everything and all that. I forgot why I started telling the story, guys. Like so invested in the pizza, so I forgot what I was trying to tell. Yeah, so when lockdown lifted, I forgot, guys, what I was trying to tell. Sorry, guys. So my parents used to make everything, like, you know, pani puri, cutlet, whatever I used to like outside. My dad used to come and make. My dad, he used to watch YouTube videos and make. So that was like a very good time with my parents. Actually, that is a very memorable time of my life, to be very honest. Although it was a crazy shit time, like I'm telling it again and again. But then, you know, those 6-7 months that was lockdown, right? So I had like a very you know, comfortable time because of my parents, because like I told you, everything was, you know, made for me at home with whatever he could get from the market. Like groceries also, everybody was stocking up. So yeah, that was like a memorable time. But what I remember from there is that even till then I had this Domino's pizza obsession. I was so obsessed with pizza, Domino's and everything. So once lockdown lifted and like stores open, online delivery open and all that, I used to tell my dad, let's order pizza. And when I order, I had no control over me. Like seriously, sometimes I used to order like everything. Like I needed A to Z. I needed, like, for me, like it's a set menu that I need from Domino's when I order, like garlic bread and like pizza and like any other side that I need, chocolava cake and like what do you call that, like Coke and everything I used to order. Now sometimes I order only one pizza, and that also I don't eat two pieces, like I told you, right? So that time also I still had the craze, and I remember once lockdown lifted and food delivery started and everything, I was ordering Domino's a lot. And after that, slowly I think like my craze for Domino's also came down a little bit, and now it's okay. Like I can do without Domino's sometimes. Once in a while I crave, like today I was craving, so that's why I ordered. But I remember that time because it used to come in a huge bag, right? Domino's pizza. And my dad eats, my mom doesn't eat pizza actually. She doesn't eat pizza, and now recently only she started liking garlic bread and all that. But only I eat pizza, and Coke also nobody drinks. I only drink. So maximum I used to have, so I used to take it to my room upstairs, and I used to like enjoy and eat and watch something. So I remember that. Now also I like, but they have introduced a lot of new things. There's this bowl, Cano bowl pizza. There's this sourdough range that has come. I did check that I was gonna buy that, but then I was like, let me try this. Good choice because I really love this. I think I'll buy it again and again. I was never a fan of like plain pizza, but this one is very good. and I think one or two items, like you know, that volcano pizza came. I tried that. I didn't like it that much. That volcano pizza, the middle cheese that is there, that only I think is fully they have put whatever this cheese name is. I don't know, guys, but that's the one. So
Past now, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last.
So that's just a story time, guys. And for this Cano bowl pizza, guys, 10 on 10. Like legit 10 on 10. I would have never given 10 on 10 for a Domino's pizza because something like the toppings are not nice or whatever I could have told. The cheese is not good. I didn't like how it came, how it got delivered. But this one, I didn't expect I will give 10 on 10. So this is very good. Coke and all I'm not reviewing, guys, because why would I review Coke? So yes, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video actually because I just wanted to come and review, and I really like filming this video. I think this would become like my most film video after this, I guess. I had so much fun filming this. I hope you like this video as well. Food videos, I think a lot of people like it. So please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment as well if you like such videos, which restaurant you want me to try. But then please note, I'm a vegetarian, so I eat egg as well actually. So vegetarian I am. But if you'd want me to try some restaurant, let me know and I would try that. And yes guys, I think I will end the video here and go and finish the rest and enjoy. I hope you really like this video, guys. Trying to do food video for really long, and I'm happy that finally I came to a decision that in this channel only I'll put it and not create a separate channel, because I feel it's okay, because once a week or twice a week I can do a food video, and the remaining days I can film like makeup content and lifestyle content and all that I usually do. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in another video, guys. Bye guys.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.